Suki. Our washing machine just arrived. Here you go. So here, our washing machine just arrived from Flip Art. Don't touch it. No, 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 no. Don't touch it. No, no. It will damage, please. Aray.
Oh my!
Here the code.
Great, Megan, great.
It's good. Purple.
अरे भाई हमको और जगह जाना मैं चलाते रहिए मेरे को आ रहा
मैं जाने के बीते हैं. Here our washing machine just arrived last night. LG. I think this is good quality. First time we bought from Flipkart. You know, this is sealed. That's why we try to bought. So let's open now. Okay, Lakshmi, are you okay there? My mother-in-law is here. She's going to pray before we use. Because here in India, every time we bought something like for the house, we pray first before we use. Okay, can you come closer? So I want to show you what's inside. Come here, yeah. Look, LG. Okay. I want to open. I will remove this so we can see what is inside. Wow, look here. It's quick wash program.
Mama, sakit dyan, i-freeze. Magliya ko na kung...
Huh? Why you?
This is the plug. Okay. It's not really low, but it's okay. How to put this? Look guys, and this is the water connection. We will put the small hose here and then the other one is here. Okay. Wow, it's really nice. Look here, here. And this one I think, the hose for the spinning, we will put here when it's finished. Okay, that's enough. And we are going to pray guys every time we bought stuff for the house, we pray before we use so we can use it longer. In India, here in India, we believe every time we bought, we have to pray first before we use. Okay? Thank you. I'm not going to pray. And let's make sure also to pray with her grandma. Wanna pray also pray who?
It's almost done. To put the lock. It's really hard, I think. Look here.
Mama, ano yan?
Let me sure.
Just put it here. So when we start to wash, we will just open this. Okay, so in the spilibus. And this other one is for the water. Another one is for dirty water. Don't damage it then. The water is still leak. We're leaking the water. I don't know what to do.
Kita. Pag lumingon ka, akin ka. Lingon. Lingon. Pag lumingon ka, akin ka. Lingon.